So other winners, of course, Amazon's big competitor, Walmart. There are players in the beauty sector like Ulta and Sephora that are definitely absolutely on fire. They've been on fire for a while and they continue to be. And then there are some smaller value players, companies like Five Below that are doing well and expect to open probably 100 plus new stores in 2018. And of course, companies like Starbucks. That's a huge store for gift card sales during Q4.
This year feels like pre-holiday season, though it was marked pretty dramatically by a bunch of retail bankruptcies. I believe there were 21 in 2017 alone. Are there any companies that you think are sort of dependent on this holiday season as a make or break season for them?
Yeah, the two sectors that are most challenged are women's apparel. So you'd mentioned those 21 bankruptcies. About 13 of them were in the fashion sector. So that is a sector that is really challenged. The second group are the department stores. And this is really make or break for companies like Sears, JCPenney. I think Macy's will have pulled a rabbit out of the hat and did pretty well this past holiday season. But really 2018 and 19 are going to be telltale signs for how much they have left in their future as well.
For the companies that did well, Sucharita, oftentimes we think, okay, well, the holiday season, the sales were pointing in the right direction. They were better than expected or better than the previous year. But then we get to earnings in January and the margins nearly always disappoint and the stocks sell off. Will we see deja vu this year, or do you see something else happening?
Well, that's a great point. I mean, this is usually the same story because Q4 is the time of great discounts, and I think that everyone is happy that the numbers from a top line standpoint were up. But the truth is, I actually think what was happening was that consumers were just delaying gratification and waiting for those sales. So you saw the great discounts and the deals on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, even through much of December. So I think that you're absolutely right. For a lot of the retailers, particularly in the department stores, in those women's apparel categories where they are heavily discount dependent, we could absolutely see those margins plummet when the earnings are reported. That said, I do think that companies like the Starbucks, the Five Belows, Amazon, and Walmart should nonetheless fare pretty well because they've managed, I think, against those promotional cadences pretty well.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.